Hello everyone! The rhinoceros, or rhino, is a majestic creature that has roamed the earth for millions of years. These massive herbivores are instantly recognizable by their thick, leathery skin and, of course, their iconic horns. Sadly, today, all 5 species of rhino are threatened with extinction, primarily due to poaching for their horns and habitat loss. Rhinos inhabit a variety of habitats across Africa and Asia, including grasslands, savannas, forests, and swamps. Their diet consists primarily of vegetation, such as grasses, leaves, and branches. White rhinos, primarily grazers, prefer open grasslands and savannas. Black rhinos, browsers, feed on leaves, twigs, and branches from shrubs and trees. Indian rhinos, found in grasslands and marshy areas, primarily graze on grasses. Javan rhinos inhabit lowland rainforests and swamp forests, feeding on leaves, shoots, and fruits. Sumatran rhinos, found in tropical and subtropical rainforests, browse on leaves, twigs, and fruits. Poaching is the illegal hunting or capturing of wildlife. Rhinos are tragically targeted by poachers for their horns, which are highly valued in some parts of Asia. Rhino horn is falsely believed to have medicinal properties in traditional Asian medicine, despite having no scientific basis. It is also used as a status symbol, fueling a lucrative black market. Poachers often use tranquilizer darts to immobilize rhinos before hacking off their horns with saws. This leaves the animals vulnerable to infection, starvation, and predators, often leading to a slow and agonizing death. The illegal trade in rhino horn is highly organized and profitable, with prices exceeding that of gold. This high demand drives poachers to relentlessly target rhino populations, pushing some species to the brink of extinction. The fight to save rhinos is a complex and ongoing battle. As human populations grow, natural habitats are increasingly being converted for agriculture, development, and infrastructure, leaving rhinos with less and less space to roam. Conservation efforts include anti-poaching patrols, dehorning, habitat protection, and breeding programs. Rhinos play a vital role in their ecosystems. They are keystone species, meaning that their presence is essential for the health and balance of the environment. Rhinos help to shape the landscape, disperse seeds, and control vegetation. The loss of rhinos would have a devastating impact on their ecosystems and biodiversity. It would also be a significant loss for humanity. Rhinos are majestic creatures that have captured the imagination of people around the world. They are a symbol of strength, power, and resilience. Educate yourself about rhinos and the threats they face. Donate to or volunteer with organizations dedicated to rhino protection. Refuse to purchase any products containing rhino horn or its derivatives. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.